Hello guys, welcome to Russian Icebreakers channel. I'm Seva, and in this video we are going to talk about rules of forming prepositional case. If you're interested, please subscribe to us on social media and keep watching. This is a three-part video series about prepositional case, in which we're gonna cover the rules for forming prepositional case, when we use v or na with locations and exceptions. So let's get started. Prepositional case in Russian is used for several things. First, to indicate a place, to talk about where something is located. The prepositional case with places is used with prepositions v and na. Prepositional case is also used to talk about months, to say in what month something happened. В сентябре, в октябре, etc. In order to form prepositional case, we just take the base nominative form of a noun and then change it according to the gender and number. As you well know by this point, the masculine nouns usually end with consonants. So in order to form the prepositional case, we just add «е» after that consonant. Стол на столе, пляж на пляже, офис в офисе. If a masculine noun ends with «е» or a soft sign, we replace it with «е». For example, чай в чае, музей в музее, май в мае, сентябрь в сентябре. If a noun ends with «и», we replace it with «и». Санаторий в санатории, Меркурий на Меркурии, Маврикий на Маврикии. Now it's time to talk about feminine nouns. If a noun ends with «а» or «я», we replace it with «е». Москва в Москве, вода в воде, спальня в спальне. If a feminine noun ends with a soft sign, we replace it with «и». Печь в печи, площадь на площади. If a feminine noun ends with «ия», replace it with «ии». Латвия в Латвии, армия в армии. Now let's talk about the neuter forms. If a noun ends with «о», we replace it with «е». Письмо в письме, вино в вине. If a noun ends with «е», we don't change the ending in the prepositional case. Море в море. If a neuter noun ends with «ие», we replace it with «ии». Здание в здании, задание в задании. Here are some examples. Вчера я ужинал в ресторане и гулял в парке. Анатолий вчера был в офисе и на выставке. В вине есть муха. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, leave your comments down below, and until next time, пока-пока!